75mm gun.
Elliot, no.
Sherman Tank has a 50 caliber machine gun on the top of the cover to run the siren every time. Quite young. I was very, very afraid of them. Over those ears. The FHC's machine reflects Boomerang, the 7th Armored Division vehicle that was actually lost in the Low Countries. It came here at Payne Field on June 20th. We're back and moving again.
gonna go boom.
Is he?
Oh, boom.
Fire on the wall again! Don't shut it. Yeah. No, don't shoot the wire. No. Shoot the bush.
Missed it.
Perfectly.
All right, for those of you counting, we've got one more left to go. Sherman's going to drive around a little bit more.
Oh, God, you said missed it.
The Sherman in a lot of ways was outmatched by German designs during World War II. They did everything they could to improve this design. Later versions had different engines, thicker armor, and also heavier guns. This is an early to middle version of the Sherman tank. This particular type was of the kind that was used in North Africa during World War II. And as well, some of these Shermans were the type that came ashore at D-Day. In fact, this machine, if you look closely as it turns the corner here, has a data log